Strangers, today I'm going to show you how to create your own manga movie in the style of Studio Ghibli. It is easy and you can start today. Soon, I'll show you a detailed step-by-step tutorial for complete beginners. I will use only free AI tools. At the end of the video, I'll show you the result of today's work. So watch until the end. First step, content preparation by ChatGPT. You can use the free Microsoft Copilot, which offers similar features to ChatGPT. I have inserted a prompt into ChatGPT. Create titles for viral YouTube action manga video. Then, I'll choose one topic that appeals to me the most, and then insert prompt. Create narrative text in storytelling format that includes a compelling hook to draw people's attention. For YouTube 1-minute video in the manga style of Studio Ghibli, and create detailed prompts for Pika Labs, describing each 6 seconds of script and focused on action motion, specification of characters, and add manga and Studio Ghibli style to the earch prompt. The final text will be about your chosen topic. Second step, creating animations with Pika. After logging into the web application, which is available for free, I enter the prompts generated in the previous step using ChatGPT at the bottom of the application. I can enter all the prompts at once and wait for them to be generated. Next, I use the 3 dots to lengthen the individual videos. And finally, I enlarge the final video for better quality of the final movie. Third step, creating voice with FAQ. After easy free registration, I select text-to-speech in the left panel. Click on the Explore Voices button and select English, the anime category. And the anime voice I was most interested in was Sailor Moon. Then I add the texts one by one. Free accounts are limited to a maximum of 12 seconds of recording, which is not a problem for us. It is a maximum of 5 separate files for a 1-minute video. Fourth step, download music from Toontank. You can use the free YouTube library or 3 downloads per month from the tool toontank.com. I'm searching for manga-style music. I'll listen to the sample, and if I'm interested, I'll download the song of my choice. If you're interested in this tutorial, click the subscribe button so you don't miss my next weird video. And now we're going to create our final Studio Ghibli style manga video. Fifth step, creating video with CapCut. Now, I'll create the final video. I upload all the files using the import button. Then, I drag the files onto the timeline below. I remove the watermark by enlarging the video. I'll add a leak to effect to the whole video. Next, I create subtitles using text then auto captions. Then create and set the text on the right settings. The font used by these videos is Manga Temple, which I can download from the DaFont website, install, and then it appears in the selection. I increase the font size, choose the style, and place the subtitles in the center. Then, I insert sounds that fit the scenes, and finally add suitable music from previous step. And now I will release the created manga to you.
With determination and power. Suddenly, the ground trembles. From a burst of radiant light emerges the legendary sword, known to decide the fate of worlds. To heroes step forward, a samurai with eyes like steel, and a mystical mag with a cloak of stars, both racing towards the sword. The samurai leaps, his blade gleaming as the magi conjures a whirlwind of cosmic energy. The clash is imminent. Around them, other warriors engage in battles, a ballet of power and grace.
Wow, pretty cool, huh? And it only took a few minutes. I put all used links and prompts in description. Now you can start creating your own manga. And don't forget to send me your results in the comments. I'd love to see them. Thanks for your interest, and don't forget to check out our other videos. See you, strangers.